Meaning of ibex.
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 Ibex. Ibex refers to a type of wild goat that primarily inhabits mountainous regions. These agile creatures are famed for their impressive climbing abilities and their curved, ridged horns. They are often hunted for their meat and hides, and some subspecies are endangered due to habitat loss and overhunting. The term ibex can also be used metaphorically to describe someone or something that is tough, resilient, and able to withstand adversity. Overall, ibex is a term that evokes images of ruggedness, independence, and natural beauty.